Dogecoin, Pepe, and XYZverse prepare for a high-stakes, hype-fueled meme coin championship in 2025. As the crypto market surges toward new peaks, three meme coins, Dogecoin, Doge, Pepe, and the newcomer XYZverse, XYZ, are capturing the spotlight. Dogecoin's legacy, Pepe's momentum, and XYZverse's unique approach set the stage for an exciting competition. XYZverse, the all-sport meme coin. While Dogecoin relies on its legacy and Pepe banks on recent buzz, XYZverse brings something entirely fresh, an all-sport meme coin that merges meme hilarity with the enthusiasm of global sports fandom. Picture the staggering $1 billion trading volume Polymarket achieved during the US election frenzy. Now, infuse that atmosphere with meme coin hype, sports betting action, and millions of fans ready to jump into the fray. With XYZverse, this isn't just a fantasy, it's an ecosystem on the verge of significant expansion. While past meme coin champions like BOOM and WIF dazzled with their incredible returns, XYZverse sets its sights even higher. With a 9,900% growth target by the TGE, it's positioned to outpace rival gains and shoot for the top of the leaderboard. As major CEX DEX listings, audited contracts, and a vetted team bolster its credibility, XYZverse flexes a strong defensive line to maintain investor confidence. Early adopters gain a first-mover edge, riding the wave of a community-driven, sports-fueled ecosystem long before the crowd realizes it's time to join in. The Crypto Championship of 2025 is shaping up to be a fierce contest, and XYZverse is ready to dominate. Pepe has been making waves in the crypto market, with its price jumping by 12.82% in the past week. Looking at the last month, the increase is at 70.42%. Over 6 months, Pepe has surged by 109.24%. This upward trend shows strong interest and momentum behind the coin. Currently, Pepe is trading between $0.0000 to $112 and $0.0000 to $8426. The nearest resistance level is at $0.00003048. If it breaks through this point, the next target is $0.00003982, representing a significant gain from its current price. On the support side, levels at $0.00001582 and $0.00007486 could provide stability if the price dips. Dogecoin. Over the past 6 months, Dogecoin's price has surged by 189.40%, reflecting sustained interest. Doge's relative strength index stands at 57.91, indicating bullish sentiment. The MACD level is positive at 0.0028, which often signals upward movement. However, the stochastic oscillator is at 76.27, suggesting the asset may be approaching overbought levels. Looking ahead, the nearest resistance level is at 54 cents. If Doge breaks this barrier, it could target the second resistance at 64 cents, representing a potential gain of up to 28% from the current price. On the downside, the nearest support level is at 35 cents. Falling to the second support at 25 cents would mean a decrease of around 39%. Conclusion. Dogecoin and Pepe have made their marks, but XYZverse's fusion of sports and memes positions it as a strong contender in the 2025 meme coin race.